Vidya Patil, Professor and Head, Department of Anesthesia, to kindly introduce our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. M.B. Patil.
Just add to the various awards. Sir is a Young Scientist awardee for IIMM in 1985, Sere Kashmir Sheikh Abdullah Memorial Oration Award 1989, Dr. C.G.S. Iyer Oration Award of ICMR 1990, Erwin Strindl Memorial Oration Award for German Leprosy Relief Organization 1991, Dr. S.C. Agrawal Oration Award of IIMM 1994, Dr. Manu Patel Prize of IADVL 1999, Jalma Trust Foundation Oration Award of 1999 of ICMR, and IIMM Endowment Award 2003, and Ranbaxy Science Foundation Award 2004, UC Chaturvedi Lifetime Achievement Award 2009, Melanby Oration 2009, Vishwanathan Oration 2009, Major General Sahib Singh Soki Oration 2009, and Excellence in Technology Award of ICS 2011, and Peace Ray Award in 2012. So these are the various list of awards which Dr. Vishwamohan Katoch has got. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request Dr. Vidya Patil, Professor and Head, Department of Anesthesia, to kindly introduce our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. M.B. Patil.
A very good morning, everyone gathered here. I am indeed very pleased to introduce our Honorable Chancellor of BLD deemed to be University, Dr. M.B. Patil, who is also our President of BLD Association, the sponsoring society of the university. Dr. M.B. Patil was born on October 7, 1964 in Tarvi near Vijaypur. He had his early schooling in Vijaypura and graduated with BE Civil Engineering from PG Halakatti Engineering College, Vijaypura. He is a firm believer in quality education, and so he visited various reputed institutions across the country and abroad with a view to adapt best practices to enhance quality education at home and impart them in our institutions. He has succeeded in putting BLD Association on the educational map of India. At the young age of 26 years, in the year 1990, Dr. M.B. Patil shouldered the responsibilities of the association as General Secretary, became President of the association in the year 2005, and President of BLD deemed to be University in the year 2008. Under his dynamic leadership, the BLD Association is developing a new campus spread over 140 acres of land. Excellent infrastructural facilities have been already developed for offering commerce and MBA programs. And Sri B.M. Patil CBSE School with the state-of-art educational facilities has started in the year 2010. His political career started in the year 1991 when he got elected to the Karnataka Legislative Assembly from Tikota constituency. He served as Member of Parliament from Vijaypura constituency in the year 1999. Later, he got elected to Karnataka Legislative Assembly in 2004 from Tikota constituency and 2008 from Bableshwar constituency. In 2013, he got elected to Karnataka Legislative Assembly from Bableshwar constituency and had been Cabinet Minister of Water Resources and Major Medium Irrigation, and also Home Minister in 2019 Government of India, Government of Karnataka. He has emerged as a popular leader of farmers and the masses. His recent crusade for bringing Krishna water to the parched villages of our district will remain in the memory of our people of this region in years to come. Dr. M.B. Patil initiated a pioneering experiment in the state, lifting the river water to dried up reservoirs at long distances and refilling them. This unique, massive effort has drawn the attention of the entire nation. He has been aptly entitled by the name Modern Bhagiratha. Dr. M.B. Patil is spearheading a popular movement trying to get an independent religion status to the Lingayat community, a religion initiated by the 12th century social reformer Basaveshwara and his contemporaries. In 21st century, we are watching a reenactment of that revolutionary movement under the leadership of Dr. Patil. He has been awarded with Basava Shanti, Sri Mrutyunjaya Mahanta, and Sri B.D. Jatti Award in the year 2018, and many other awards are in his credit. In recognition of his contribution to the field of education and social service, D.Y. Patil, deemed to be University of Kolhapur, conferred honorary doctorate on him on 17th March 2015. In brief, Dr. M.B. Patil is carrying on his young and yet strong shoulders the great legacy of more than 100 years of history of this educational organization with great responsibility. Here I present our Chancellor and President of this August gathering, Dr. M.B. Patil.
Thank you, ma'am. I also request ma'am to present bouquet to our Honorable Chancellor. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I now request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. M.S. Biradar, to take over the convocation proceedings. Over to you, sir.
चलो हेलो 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 Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to request you to kindly declare the convocation open.
This convocation of the BLD deemed to be university with the constituent college Sri B.M. Patil Medical College, Vijaypur, Karnataka, has been called to confer degrees upon the candidates who in the examination held for the purpose have been successful and certified to be worthy of receiving degrees. I declare the convocation open. Let the candidates for various degrees be presented.
The candidates for PhD, Super Specialty MCH Urology, please stand up. Sir, I beg to present you the candidates named in the list of degrees PhD, Super Specialty MCH Urology. As they have been examined and found qualified for the said degree, and to which I pray they may be admitted. The candidates for the postgraduate degrees, Doctors of Medicine, Masters of Surgery, Masters of Science, Postgraduate Diploma and Fellowship courses, please stand up. Sir, I beg to present you the candidates named in the list of degrees of postgraduate degrees, Doctor of Medicine, Master of Surgery, Master of Science, Postgraduate
respective degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of BLD deemed to be University, Vijaypur, Karnataka, I also admit the rest of the candidates whose names are set out in the list to the respective degrees in absentia and those who have not submitted the prescribed application to the respective degree.
Candidates, please be seated.
I have the honor to request you, sir, to award the certificates to the candidates in each course as per the list to be read out by the Controller of Examinations.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request the Controller of Examination, Dr. S.S. Devarmani, to present the list of candidates receiving certificates. The candidates will proceed to our Chancellor, Dr. M.B. Patil, to receive the degree certificates, bow to the Chancellor, and assume their seats. Over to you, sir.
So the candidate's name that I'm going to call is for PhD, Dr. Rohini Kori. Dr. Pandit Vinod Mandela. Dr. Sandhya Papapatini. Dr. Harish Bhatt K. Dr. Jyoti Kodnapur. Dr. Kalashilpa Chittikana. Dr. Lata Mullur. Now the fellowship in pediatric dermatology candidate, Dr. Ajit B. Janagon. The next is a candidate for PG degree, Dr. Jyoti Somangowda Patil. Dr. Ankur Kumar. Dr. Moksha S. Dr. Pujita Ram. Dr. Rameshri G. Dr. Satyasri V. KV. Dr. Shikha Sharma. Dr. Samriddhi. Dr. Lakshmi Tellur. Dr. Akshay M. Kuchanur, Dr. Ashwini Patil, Dr. Ayali Ambrish, Dr. Devendra Nayak, Dr. Kudumle Sainath Mallikarjun, Dr. Makdum Nikhil Appasaheb, Dr. Shivraj Reddy Kandala, Dr. Manisha V, Dr. Nikita P. Naidu, Dr. Adil Farooq, Dr. Neha S. Arvikar, Dr. Raghu T, Dr. Rashmi Patil, Dr. Savita B. Patil, Dr. Vinita Vastred, Dr. Gogineni Ankita, Dr. Sharat Kirti R, Dr. Tanmay Dhanshetty, Dr. A. Karthik, Dr. Iranna Mallappa Hittalamani, Dr. Namit Garg, Dr. Shivu J, Dr. Prashant B. Kenganar, Dr. Sharan Prasad A.H., Dr. Vijay Kumar Patil, Dr. Jyoti Somangowda Patil, Next few candidates will be for postgraduate diploma. Dr. Mallamma, Dr. Tarish Babu Ardala, Dr. Girija Sangmesh Kunchunur, Dr. Sneha P. Chitwadgi, Dr. Aniruddha M. Dr. M. Kaushik, Dr. Sunit S.S., Dr. Ashwini Hire Venkan Gaudar for PG degree, Dr. Roshni Patil, the next candidates will be from MBBS degree award receivers. Dr. Vadapalli Venkata Sai Swarup, Dr. Banka Giridhar, Dr. Bhuvaneshwari Gachinmat, Dr. Pawar Bharat Bhau Sahib, Dr. Sanjana Bagli, Dr. Anand Kundagor, Dr. Anuj Singh, Dr. Bokisam Pawan Sai Sri, Dr. Chaitra Patil, Dr. Chetana Sonti, Dr. Geetesh Garg, Dr. Kirti Patil, Dr. Preeti R. Busno, Dr. Shailendra Yadav, Dr. Sunil Patanshetty, Dr. Abhishek Bargir, Dr. Akshata M. Gowder, Dr. Amita Mallana Hippargi, Dr. Anil Kumar G, Dr. Ankita Ann Joseph, Dr. Anusha Karnam, Dr. B. Naresh Kumar, Dr. Bali Sukeshni Sunil, Dr. Bandaru Tejashwini, Dr. Chagnam Kavya, Dr. Chitimalla Viswaj, Dr. Darshini Shantagowda Patil, Dr. Deepak, Dr. Deepak Patil, Dr. Deepanshu Patel, Dr. Divya D. Suryavanshi, Dr. Murla Vandan G, Dr. Gauri Kulkarni, Dr. Gurulana Iraj Kumar, Dr. K. Deepthi Reddy, Dr. Kamaladini Asma Muhammad Hanif, Dr. Kartik Katti, Dr. M. Alekia, Dr. M. S. Joshmita, Dr. Madha Ushashwini Reddy, Dr. Madhu GR, Dr. Madhu S. Patil, Dr. Matturu Soumya, Dr. Muhammad Arshi Danish, Dr. Monica Chaudhary Kanakamedala. Dr. Namala Vaishnavi. Dr. Namita Honotigi. Dr. Natasha Jain. Dr. Neha Patil. Dr. Nitya Reddy Nelvoy. Dr. Nungshi Tombi Loktong Bam. Dr. Peri Nagarachana. Dr. Pallavi Gajakosh. Dr. Pritam Kashapa Dalwai. Dr. Priyadarshini Saini. Dr. Rachamalla Shivashankara Krishnavamsi. Dr. Rahul Gulganji. Dr. Rajesh Tuljannavar. Dr. Ravina S. Yellur. Call upon Dr. Pujita Ram V. for securing Department of Pathology Gold Medal to postgraduate topper in pathology, sponsored by Department of Pathology. I call Dr. Mallamma for securing BLD deemed to be university gold medal to postgraduate diploma topper, sponsored by BLD deemed to be university. Dr. Kasturi Sai Abhishek Datta has secured 3 gold medals in the following category. BLD deemed to be university, best outgoing undergraduate male, sponsored by BLD deemed to be university. BLD deemed to be university, undergraduate topper male, sponsored by BLD deemed to be university. Late Dr. C.R. Bidri Memorial Gold Medal for best outgoing UG student male, sponsored by Srimati Asha M. Patil. Now I call Dr. Shraddha Kallane, who has secured 5 gold medals in the following category. BLD deemed to be university, best outgoing undergraduate female, sponsored by BLD deemed to be university. Late Dr. C.R. Bidri Memorial Gold Medal for best outgoing UG student female, sponsored by Srimati Asha M. Patil. Alumni Association Gold Medal for best outgoing UG student, sponsored by Alumni Association BLD Universities, Sri B.M. Patil Medical College. Late Mrs. Rohini Mallar Rao Roshni Joshi Memorial Gold Medal to UG topper in pharmacology, sponsored by Dr. Vanaja Upendra Narsapur. Srimati Neelama R. Mudnur Memorial Gold Medal to UG topper in OBG, sponsored by Dr. S.R. Mudnur. Dr. Nitya Reddy Nelvoy has secured 2 gold medals and 1 cash prize in the following category. BLD deemed to be university, undergraduate topper female, sponsored by BLD deemed to be university. Late Srimati Premavati Patil Memorial Gold Medal for UG topper in pathology, sponsored by Dr. Girija Patil. And Dr. GSG Iyengar prize for topper in phase 3 part 1, sponsored by GSG Iyengar, a cash prize of Rs 10,000. Dr. Rahul Gulganji, late Dr. C.R. Bidri Memorial Gold Medal to UG topper in pediatrics male, sponsored by Sri Ravi C. Bidri. Dr. Sucheta S. Morabad, late Dr. C.R. Bidri Memorial Gold Medal to UG topper in pediatrics, female, sponsored by Sri Ravi C. Bidri. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Research is to see what everybody else has seen and to think what nobody has ever thought. I request the Controller of Examination, Dr. S.S. Devarmani, to announce the Senior Scientist Award.
Now I request the Senior Scientist Award awardee for this function, is Dr. Sharan Badiger, Professor and Head Department of Medicine. I call him upon the dais.
Now I request Dr. Uday Kumar Nuchi, Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine, to introduce Senior Scientist Awardee.
Good afternoon to all. I feel proud to introduce Dr. Sharan Badiger, sir, for the Senior Scientist Award. He born in 30th May 1968 at Gulbarga. He did his MBBS degree from MR Medical College, Gulbarga, and he completed his MD in Internal Medicine from MR Medical College, Gulbarga, Karnataka in the year 1994. Totally serving this institution since 25 years on various capacities. Now he is presently working as Professor and Head, Department of Medicine, affiliated to BLD deemed to be University, Sri B.M. Patil Medical College, Vijayapura. His main research interests are in internal medicine, echocardiography, and imaging in medicine. He has 60 publications in national and international journals and proceedings of the conferences. He is the life member of Association of Physicians of India, API chapter, since 1996. Research Society for the Study of Diabetes in India, RSSDI, since 2005. Indian Society of Cardiology, ISC, since 2006. Indian Society of Electrocardiology, ISC, since 2010. Indian Academy of Geriatrics, IAG, since 2010, International Association of Computer Science and Information Technology, Singapore, since 2010. He is an international associate member of American College of of Indian chapter. He is serving as editor-in-chief, editorial board member, peer reviewer, advisory board member of various national and international journals. He has 5 book chapters in his credits, indexed Web of Science, UGC recognized, and Springer. He was awarded as certification of appreciation from Edorium Journals, British Journals of Medical Practitioners, and he is a member of Elsevier Research Academy, Publons Research Academy, and so on. And he is an international research scientist and technical committee and editorial reviewer, board member on medical and health sciences. Here I present Dr. Sharan Badiger, sir, the today's Senior Scientist Awardee to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our chief guest, Dr. V.M. Katoch, to present the certificate and a cash prize of Rs 25,000 to Dr. Sharan Badiger. Thank you, everyone. Roots of true achievements lie in young scientists. It is time to announce Young Scientist Award. I request the Controller of Examination, Dr. S.S. Devarmani, to announce the Young Scientist Award.
The Young Scientist Awardee for this year is Dr. Sri Lakshmi Bagli, Associate Professor, Department of Physiology.
I request Dr. Rekha Udgiri, Professor, Department of Community Medicine, to introduce the Young Scientist Awardee.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce Dr. Sri Lakshmi Bagli. She is currently working in Assistant Professor in the Department of Physiology, Sri B.M. Patil Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, BLD deemed to be University, Vijayapur. She has completed her MBBS and MD in Medical Physiology from the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Bangalore. She has completed her PhD in Medical Physiology under the supervision of Professor Kusal K. Das and awaiting final PhD viva on 23rd October at BLD deemed to be University, Vijayapur. Dr. Sri Lakshmi Bagli received the accolades and appreciation citation from the Office of the Principal and Dean Faculty of Medicine for her immense contribution in teaching physiology in 2019. Her area of research interest is low oxygen microenvironment on vascular pathophysiology with respect to signal transduction. She is credited with 27 original research articles and 2 international book chapters. She has significant research citations and publications impact in Scopus and Web of Science. She has presented numerous research papers in the national and international conference, for which she has also received the Best Paper Award at National Conference of Basic Medical Science, Salem, Tamil Nadu, and Best Poster Award on BLD, Dr. P.G. Halakatti College of Engineering and Technology, Vijaypura. In 2018, Dr. Sri Lakshmi has awarded the Research Day Gold Medal by BLD deemed to be University, Vijaypura, her scientific contribution in physiological sciences. She has also received SARS Gold Medal at BLD deemed to be University, Vijaypura in 2018. Here I present the Junior Scientist Award for Sri Lakshmi Bagli.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our chief guest, Dr. V.M. Katoj, to present the certificate and a cash prize of Rs 25,000 to Dr. Sri Lakshmi Bagli. Thank you, everyone. The term Upanishad means sitting near a teacher to receive the sacred teachings. As translated by Swami Sarvananda, it states, "The right will I speak, and I'll speak the true. May that protect me, may that protect the teacher." I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. M.S. Biradar to read the extract of commandments from Taitra Upanishad with the permission of our Chancellor.
In the years where the moral responsibility of public in general is deteriorating, following the commandments is very important for every citizens of India and in the globe. Anusashana, commandments. Satyam vada, satyavannu nudi. Speak the truth. Dharmam chara, dharmadinda nade. Live righteously. Swadhyayanam pramada, adhyayanavannu bidabeda. Do not neglect the pursuit of knowledge. Matrudevo bhava, Taiyannu devarendu preetisu. Love your mother as God. Pitradevo bhava, Tandeyanu devarendu preetisu. Adore your father. Acharya devo bhava, Acharyanu devarendu preetisu. Respect your teacher as God. Atiti devo bhava, Atitiyannu devarendu preetisu. Honor your guest as God. Esha adesha, idu appane. This is command. Esha upadesha, idu upadesha. This is instruction. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request Honorable Chief Guest Dr. V.M. Katoj to deliver the convocational address.
Honorable Chancellor Dr. Patil ji, and also the presiding officer of today's function. I knew him through his biodata, but today is the first opportunity to know his dynamism, the commitment to the people. He's not an ordinary politician. He's a person committed with a very, I think, deep commitment, which I saw. Still, the best is yet to come. You know, there's for him a long road ahead. So I'll start by conveying my greetings and best wishes to him at the very first. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Biradar, Honorable former Vice Chancellor, actually Dr. Kakate. There's a Vice Chancellor of 2 universities, and I think person today responsible for bringing me here today on this occasion. Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Shri Devarachur's Academy of Higher Education, Dr. Pradeep. All the other distinguished colleagues sitting on the dais, off the dais. I think I was looking forward to this opportunity for years together now, actually. Dr. Arun Inamdar, whom I know for long years, he tried to invite me. Another opportunity came. Again, something went wrong. And yesterday also, two days back, it again appeared to be slipping, the opportunity to be here. But by God's grace, I'm here. And I thank the Almighty for this opportunity that I'm standing before you. Opportunity to see an institution, which is growing, actually. I'll start by, again, paying my tribute, respects to the visionaries and founding fathers of this institution, this BLD Association. Then the Bachchan Pitama Shri Halakati Ji, His Holiness Mahaswami Ji, of course the Shri B.M. Patil Ji, whose legacy Dr. Patil is carrying forward. Again, number of the institutions, the principal of the college, vice principal of the college, the medical superintendent, controller of examinations. Now, I think a lot of people who have come from the board of management, I didn't get the opportunity to meet them, but I greet them first. I greet the members of academic committee, I greet the students who passed out today, but then the people who nurtured them, the faculty of the institution, the other staff of this institution. So I think that's the best way to start with, because if until you forget the very basic thing to greet the people, that you lose the real shine of the function. The country is built of the institutions and the people who create them. And that's why this institution, the BLD University, I've seen its rise in the recent years. Since 2008, when I moved to Delhi and started interacting with the people of what's happening across, and this name started appearing on the radar. Then again, I had the opportunity to deal with Dr. Mulimani on many occasions, both in Delhi and also in other meetings in other institutions. I started getting the very first-hand feeling, actually. But finally, the real impression came. I started meeting the students from this institution. That started changing my entire perception, actually. Persons like Dr. Das sitting in the front row will be feeling very happy by that, because that's the ultimate goal of a teacher, actually, in the institution. So I think when you pass out, you leave an imprint, actually. You create an imprint, and that becomes the identity of the institution it created. Well, starting as a society, association more than 100 years back, 110 years back, it has done a lot, which many of the people in this area would have felt, because it has contributed to their growth. Then this hospital coming almost, again, 33 years back, this medical college came. And it is made a big name for the best possible quality care in the northern Karnataka, actually. So that's, again, a great contribution. But now as an educational institution, where the people you are there, you are passing out today, the other people will coming and passing out. Now it is creating its own imprint, actually. And that's what I wanted to see personally. Didn't get the chance to meet many people and didn't get the opportunity to, because the time where the convocation was to be fitted was only this week, actually. And this was the only day available with me. Otherwise, I would have tried to visit the different labs, different clinical departments, hospitals, to see the very first-hand feeling.